Starting with numerical number 15, find the change in length. Change in length means first you'll have to specify initial length. Let L1 be initial length and final length. L2 be final length. So now it becomes easy to tell you the formula for change in length, that is L2 minus L1. Now that is for seconds pendulum, and if it is seconds pendulum, so initial length will be of course 1 meter. Now we are not aware of this new length. If one more thing which we come to know from seconds pendulum is the time period is 2 seconds. If the acceleration due to gravity at the place changes from, initially acceleration due to gravity is 9.75 meter per second square, and then it changes to 9.8 meter per second square. This is what we have in the question. Now we will directly go to the formula for time period of seconds pendulum or simple pendulum, that is T is equal to 2 pi L upon G. This is the formula. Now here we can have two formulas, L1 G1, 2 pi L2 and G2. Since the time remains same because it is seconds pendulum, so of course I can say that, let me call T1 as the time for initial condition and T2 be the time period for final condition. But final condition, initial condition, in both the cases the pendulum is seconds pendulum, so time will remain same, that is 2 seconds. So I can write T1 is equal to T2. T1 will be 2 pi under root L1 upon G1, and here 2 pi under root L2 upon G2. So 2 pi gets cancelled. Squaring both the sides, so you have L1 G1 and L2 G2. Now you can bring this L2 in the denominator, or you can bring this L1 over here. So let me do this, L2 upon L1, which is equal to L2 upon L1. So this becomes G2 upon G1. So the value of G2 is 9.8 and G1 is 9.75, which is equal to L2 upon L1. Now of course I'll have to go to log and anti-log. So anti-log of 9.8 minus log of 9.75, that is equal to L2 upon L1. 9.8 minus 9.75. So it is anti-log of 9.8. Before point you have one digit, so 1 minus 1 is 0. 0.98 का 0 चेक करेंगे log में, that is 9912 minus, again you have one digit, so 1 minus 1 is 0. 0.97 का 5 चेक करेंगे, ये रहा 97 का 5 is 9890. 9890. Now you will have to subtract these two numbers, that is 0.9912 minus 0.9890. 2 minus 0 is 2. This becomes 8. So this becomes 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. 8 minus 8 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. And this 0. So here you have 0.0022. Now you look in the case of anti-log, or in the table of anti-log, 00 का 2 का 2, 00 का 2 का 2, that is 1005 plus 0 is 1005. It is 1005, एक नंबर के बाद point, into 10 raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1. So this is the value of L2 upon L1. Now what I want L2 minus L1. Okay, I can do this. L2 upon L1 minus 1 on left hand side and minus 1 on right hand side. Now if you cross multiply, you have L2 minus L1 upon L1 and 1.005 minus 1. Now if you take this L1 in the numerator, it is 1.005 minus 1 into L1, and here you have L2 minus L1. This is what is asked. 1.005 minus 1 is 0.005 into the value of L1 is 1 meter, that is 0.005 meter. So the difference or the change in length while increasing acceleration due to gravity from 9.75 to 9.8 is 0.005 meter. Okay. Now you might be thinking, why I am not substituting the value of L1 in this case. No, we cannot substitute the value of L1 in this case because they are asking you to calculate the change in length. Now if you substitute, see what will happen. I'll show you even that thing. This equation is the equation which you have obtained. After that, I have subtracted minus 1 in left hand side and also on right hand side. Now if you substitute the value of L1 over here, then what happens? L2 upon L1, that is equal to 1.005. This is what you have. The value of L1 is 1, so this becomes L2 is equal to 1.005 meter. Now you have the value of L2. After substituting L1 as 1, you have the value of L2. They are asking you to calculate change, so you will have to come to this step. That is L2 minus L1. L2 is 1.005 minus L1 is 1. That will give you 0.005 meter. You will come to the same conclusion either by this method or by this method. Of course, this is much easier. Both is right. Both the methods are right.
Subhanallah walhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar. Subhanallah walhamdulillah.